how's it going? Welcome to the video from North Coast Workshop. Today's video will be cleaning the engine bay on the car. What I'm going to do is run through a few of the products, what I'll be using on the car, and then we'll nip out to the engine bay, open the bonnet up and make a start. We won't be getting it as good as new, it won't be a professional detail, but hopefully it'll be a big improvement over what it's like just now. So yeah, we'll get started on the products first. Oh, and by the way, if you're new around here, thanks for joining us. We've had a lot of new subscribers recently on the channel, so hi to you all if you're coming back for a second or third video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are brand new around here and you haven't subscribed yet, and please hit the thumbs up button as well if you find this content useful or entertaining in any sort of way. So we'll make a start now and we'll run through these products we'll be using. So the stuff we're using today is this foamer which I just bought on Amazon. I think it was about 20 quid. It's meant to be a kind of useful way to create foam without having to use a pressure washer. So I'm going to try this out for the first time today. What it's got inside it is some of this Bilt Hamber Surfex HD. Really good stuff, highly rated by a guy on forensic detailing called John. I'll link his YouTube channel down below. Knows his stuff about detailing products, tests them like really thoroughly, and this stuff comes highly rated. So we've got 5% of the Surfex HD inside this bottle. So if it's a 2 litre bottle, I'll let you do the maths for 5% of 2 litres. We also have this bottled water, just to spray to rinse off any excess soap. I'm not going to put the hose under or pressure washer under the bonnet today, so yeah, just going to use some spray water. Detailing brush to work in the Surfex HD, and then what we'll do is rinse it off afterwards with the water, and then to mop away any excess water and dry under the bonnet, we'll use this microfiber cloth. This is one I only use under the bonnet. Doesn't go anywhere else in the car, doesn't go on paintwork, doesn't go on wheels, just purely under the bonnet. So if you are using a cloth, make sure you keep it separate from the rest of your cloths that you use in the car. Then for giving it that final kind of glossy look, we've got some Sleek from Easy Car Care, just a kind of plastic and rubber trim restorer. It gives a quick kind of glossy look and quite easy to apply with just a microfiber cloth. Open the bonnet. Oh, of course, my engine bay is spotless, so it won't be this car we're doing. Good old trusty Quasimodo. That's more like it. Right, we'll mount this camera on a tripod and we'll get started because they stick the manual bonnet prop up inside the bonnet. While I'm grabbing the tripod from the garage to start the setup for the video, I was going to say there was another video very similar to this, but the guy used WD-40. He's called Mechanical Wizard, he's got a YouTube channel, I'll leave a link down below for it, and he did an engine bay clean with just purely WD-40. It's probably the only thing that everyone seems to have in their garage these days if you don't have fancy kind of cleaning products. So yeah, pop over to his channel, give that video a watch, and his other videos as well, and drop him a subscribe too. And I'm now going to make a start with, fortunately, the cleaning products I've got, but maybe one day I'll be using WD-40 myself to see what like. Anyway, let's get started. Alright, Kev. Right, Chubbs. I wonder if that smell. Car stinks. It's a mess. Garlic baguette slices, frozen. Yeah, I like to suckle on it, you know, when I'm hungry. Got an air freshener to cover the smell. Well, that crappy thing doesn't even smell nice. I'll just spray this air freshener to cover the smell as well, that works. Strip club scent. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it smells interesting. So what do you suggest then? Have we tried this? It's from Top Flight Fragrances, and this is a million scent. You get loads of other scents as well for male and female. Man, that smells good. I quite like a pink. Yeah. Oh look, it's got a handy wee clip to put in the air vent as well. I like that. I like that a lot. Yeah, it's clever, eh? And if you use code North Coast at the checkout on the website, you'll get 10% off. Wait, what are you doing? Well, I've been giving you lifts for years, mate, and not once have you given me any petrol money. So, I'm keeping these as a wee down payment, aye? Yeah, fair enough. We're going to get kids from school, yeah? Aye, mate. Just going to nip past the shops and get some more frozen garlic bread, aye? Out not too bad, I think. This stuff takes a while to properly dry. Every time you keep wiping it, it just keeps smearing it around, so I might come back with a dry cloth later on, get that finished off, but yeah, looking better. It wasn't horrendous before, to be honest, it was just quite dusty. Hardest bit to clean, and still isn't that clean yet, is this bit. It's like crazy gunk under there in the grooves, and because you spray it on, it just drips off straight away, it doesn't get a chance to start attacking the dirt, whereas the top bit seems not too bad. So yeah, that's a bit annoying, because it still stands out. When you stand back from the engine bay, you can still see it. Yeah, anyway though, looks pretty decent. The missus will never notice, because she never goes under the bonnet, so... Possibly, if you wanted to, you could get a really good finish on the black plastics by using the C4 G-Technique stuff I used on the bumper, which I think is still showing, yeah, even though the car's been driven the past week, you can still see the darker side compared to the lighter side. Click up there in the top corner if you want to see that video to see how to apply it and how well it works, but you can see straight away the difference it makes. And yep, if you've enjoyed the video, remember to hit the thumbs up button, and I will catch you on the next video. Cheers guys, see you later, bye bye.